Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In today's highly anticipated episode, we will be doing a deep review of the brand new stylish Peugeot 308 2025. We'll cover everything from the exterior to the interior, powertrain, price, and many more features. So sit tight and let's explore this beautiful automobile together. If you are interested in purchasing the brand new Peugeot 308 2025, or maybe looking forward to knowing what improvements have been made to the current Peugeot 308 model, then stick around until the end of the video, as we discuss some of the positive and negative aspects of this fantastic motor vehicle. But before we get started, if you are new here, make sure to leave a big thumbs up and click the subscribe button so that you can stay updated on our latest videos. Now let's get into it. Starting with the exterior design of the Peugeot 308 2025, we see a number of changes, including the new LED matrix headlights, which give it a fierce expression. The sharp lines and curves of the bodywork give it a dynamic look that is further enhanced by the 17-inch alloy wheels. At the rear, the new LED taillights add a touch of elegance and sophistication. The tailgate handle has also been redesigned and now features a chrome finish. Overall, the exterior design of the 2025 Peugeot 308 is sleek and stylish with a combination of sportiness and sophistication. Moving on to the interior, the 2025 Peugeot 308 offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with high-quality materials and finishes. The seats are upholstered in a combination of leather and Alcantara and feature electric adjustment with memory function for the driver. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system, which is easy to use and offers a wide range of features including navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The 308 also features a head-up display with all the essential information projected onto the windscreen, reducing distractions for the driver. Storage spaces are plentiful throughout the cabin, with door pockets, a center console, and a large glove box. The boot space is also generous with 495 liters of capacity, expandable to 1324 liters with the rear seats folded down. Overall, the interior of the 2025 Peugeot 308 is designed to impress with its blend of luxury, practicality, and innovation. Under the hood, the 2025 Peugeot 308 offers a range of powerful and efficient engine options, including a 1.2-liter petrol engine with 130 horsepower, a 1.5-liter diesel engine with 130 horsepower, and a plug-in hybrid engine with 225 horsepower. The petrol and diesel engines are paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, while the plug-in hybrid comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The ride is smooth and comfortable thanks to the car's well-tuned suspension system, and the interior is well insulated against noise and vibrations. Handling is responsive and precise, making it easy to maneuver through tight corners and narrow streets. The 2025 Peugeot 308 also features advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features help to make the car easier to drive and reduce the risk of accidents. The fuel economy is impressive, with the petrol and diesel models returning up to 45 and 55 miles per gallon respectively. The plug-in hybrid has an all-electric range of 37 miles and can charge from a 3-pin socket. Overall, the 2025 Peugeot 308 is a high-performing car that offers a great driving experience and impressive fuel economy. The price of the 2025 Peugeot 308 is expected to be similar to the current model, which starts at around $26,000 in the UK. However, prices may vary depending on the specific trim level and engine option chosen. Despite being a relatively expensive car, the 2025 Peugeot 308 offers excellent value for money considering the car's high-quality materials, advanced features, and overall performance. In conclusion, the 2025 Peugeot 308 is shaping up to be an impressive hatchback that offers a stylish design, spacious and comfortable cabin, powerful engine options, and advanced technology. It is a car that is designed to impress, and it is likely to be a popular choice for motorists looking for a high-performance hatchback with a touch of luxury. Whether you are a young professional, a family driver, or anyone in between, the 2025 Peugeot 308 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of automobiles, and we hope that you enjoyed this video. Now let's move on to a quick Q&A session where we will answer some of your frequently asked questions about the brand new Peugeot 308 2025. Question number 1. What type of engine does the Peugeot 308 2025 come with? The Peugeot 308 2025 comes with a range of engine options, including a 1.2-litre petrol engine, a 1.5-litre diesel engine, and a plug-in hybrid engine. Question number 2. How much does the Peugeot 308 2025 cost? Question number 3. What kind of fuel economy can you expect from the Peugeot 308 2025? You can expect fuel economy of up to 45 miles per gallon for the petrol engine and up to 55 miles per gallon for the diesel engine. The plug-in hybrid has an all-electric range of 37 miles. Question number 4. What kind of technology does the Peugeot 308 2025 offer? The 2025 Peugeot 308 offers a range of advanced technology features, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, a head-up display, and over-the-air software updates. Question number 5. Is the Peugeot 308 2025 a good value for money? Yes, the Peugeot 308 2025 offers excellent value for money considering its high-quality materials, advanced features, and overall performance. Thank you for watching our video on the brand new stylish Peugeot 308 2025. We hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something new about this exciting motor vehicle. If you have any other questions or comments, please feel free to drop them down below. We would love to hear from you. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and click the subscribe button so that you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you back soon. It's time to wrap up our exploration of the stunning Peugeot 308 2025. We've delved into its design, powertrain, and features, and hopefully we've answered your burning questions too. But now we want to hear from you. What do you think of the Peugeot 308 2025? Is it a must-have addition to your garage, or does it miss the mark? Share your thoughts, experiences, and any other burning questions you might have in the comments section below. Your input matters, and we can't wait to hear what you have to say. While you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more electrifying content. Your support keeps us rolling, and we've got plenty more videos coming your way. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.